Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Navien tankless water heater not getting hot. Troubleshooting steps that works. Fix 1 is check the power supply. Make sure the water heater is turned on. Check if the display screen is lit. Reset the circuit breaker if it has tripped. Turn the heater back on and check if the water gets hot. Second one is check the gas supply. Make sure the gas valve is fully open. Check if other gas appliances are working. If the gas supply was interrupted, restore it. Test the hot water again. Third one is increase the water temperature. Press the temperature button on the control panel, then set the temperature to 120 degree Fahrenheit to 125 degree Fahrenheit. Then open the hot water bucket and check if the water is hot. Fourth one is reset the water heater. Turn the water heater off, then wait for 30 seconds. Turn the heater back on. Wait a few minutes and test the hot water. Fifth one is clean the water inlet filter. Turn off the water heater, shut off the water supply, then remove the water inlet filter. Rinse the filter with clean water, reinstall the filter and turn the water heater back on. Thanks for watching.